Now let's talk about these steps. We hear, and it's common knowledge, that the first step to being healthy is a healthy diet. It starts from what we ingest as food. But the challenge now in Nigeria is with where food inflation is and the price of commodities. Many households will tell you they just manage to have daily bread, which is not a balanced diet. Are we certain that Nigerian houses can find a way around balancing their diet as best as they can to eat healthy?
Okay, so first I will underscore the importance of nutrition, right? Because it's the foundation of an individual's health is laid right from when the person is in the mother's womb. Seriously, so the nutritional status of the pregnant woman, to large extent, determines how that child is going to turn up later in life, as an adult, with respect to his or her health, chronic health conditions, and that, I mean, for all from pregnancy up to when that child is 2 years old, whatever damage that is done by by virtue of not enjoying adequate nutrition, can hardly be recovered after the age of 2.
Now, it's important that you stated that some of the damages in terms of the lack of adequate nutrition or diet through the formative years up until 2 years is hard to correct. But now, away from that demographics of persons, talking about adults now who are managing certain health conditions, prioritizing their health in 2025, in a year when medication is high, what are some steps that they can take to ensure their wellness?
So, I mean, usually for people who have chronic conditions, like, I mean, the commonest things that come to mind is, diabetes, hypertension, right? You will, if you know any person with such condition, you see that one of the mainstay of management for those people is, physical activity and then dietary changes. That is usually, in fact, the first step to dealing with those issues is, recommending dietary changes. When that, or lifestyle changes, which include diets and, physical activity, it is when that is not now, meeting the target for management, then you now introduce pharmacologic therapies where you now begin to give the people medication.